In this movie, we're going to learn how to build styles based on another one. And this makes life a lot easier as you go down the road and start changing, because if you have a solid core and you need to make a change that is global, you can apply it to one font, for example, and have it spread through the entire document without having to go into individual styles and change it. You'll see what I mean as we move along. Now, first of all, I've got this list. It's just business names, addresses, phone, fax, and website. Whole list of them. Now, if we move up the page here, you can see that I've formatted it a little bit differently up here. And what I'm going to do over the next couple of movies is show you how to do this, but do it very efficiently. So let's go back and start with our basic text here. So I'm going to select this and bring out my paragraph styles panel. Now you can see that I've already got some styles here. It's a group of styles, and these are the styles that I built into the page that I've already formatted. So we're really going to ignore these, and I'm just going to build everything from scratch. First of all, I'm going to start off with a basic paragraph style. Now this is the one built into InDesign. You can't change it. It's always there, and it's just a starting point. Now, in this particular example, I would like everything to be Helvetica. I know that up front. That's about the only thing that's going to remain consistent. So it's a good idea just to go through into your basic paragraph style and change your basic font to Helvetica. It's okay, we can have plenty of different ones, and I'm going to change the basic size to maybe 10 points like that. So that's the basic paragraph style defined. So if I type something in now from scratch, it'll have the basic paragraph style. Now I'm going to do the formatting. First of all, I'm going to start with a name. So I'll select it, and let's change it. We're going to make it 11 points, let's say that, and we'll go bold. Just keep it simple to start with, and we'll create a new style. Notice we've got the plus sign there. That tells us that we have overridden some of the styles in the basic paragraph. So I'll come over here and double click on it, and we'll give it a name. We'll just call this one business name, like that. It is based on paragraph style. So what this says, it's a paragraph style. The next style is the same style, but we're going to get into this in the next movie, so I'm just going to skip over this. It's Helvetica, bold, size 11 points. So these are some of the overrides I've given it. So we'll click on OK and accept that. Now the next one here, I'll just come down. I'll just place my cursor here, and I'll create a new style like this. Notice it doesn't change because it's taken on all the attributes of the basic paragraph style. So let me double click here, and we'll call this one business address. Shorten like this. But this time, instead of basing it on the no paragraph style, I will choose business name. Notice how it changes automatically here. So I'm going to accept all the attributes of this, but make some changes to it. I'm going to just put it back to regular. I'm going to maybe make it 9 points like this, and let's change the leading up to 11. Give it a little bit more space. Now, of course, we can come back and change this and fine-tune it a little bit later on. Click on OK. Like this. Now I will come down and do phone. Create new style, double click here, and we'll call it a business phone. And we will base this one on business address. Like this. Well, one of the changes we're going to make is we're going to come over here, and it picked up the basis of the first one here, so we got to go down to 9 points here and change the alignment to right align like that. There it is over there, and we'll just accept that. Click on OK. Now we got to do the fax. I could come over and just apply the phone to it. Now theoretically I could just leave this as phone if these two were always going to be the same, but there's a couple of reasons, and you'll see that in the next movie, why we definitely want to do it. But on the other hand, if somebody at a later stage says change the phone to a larger font than the fax, then you're stuck with the same style. So we would want to create a new one. So this time I'll just drag this down onto the new one. Another way of doing it, it becomes business phone copy, double click, and we'll call it fax. It's got all the same attributes there, so we'll click on OK. And then the last one is the web address. So again, we'll apply Business Facts to it, drag it onto the new icon, double click, and we'll call this Business Web, like that. We won't make any changes at the moment, although we may do as we go along. So I'll click on OK, and there I've applied all the styles.